Hello there, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Nano Banana Pro's 4K feature costs 71% more, but the results are so good. It's worth every single penny, and here is why. Let's start with what 4K actually means in practical terms. This is a professional marketing poster designed for large format printing. Notice the incredible detail, the steam wisps, the texture of the foam, the perfect clarity of the text. This level of detail is essential when you're printing something that people will see up close. Everything is sharp, everything is professional, and everything is ready to go straight to the printer. That's the power of 4K. Now, here's where the difference becomes obvious. On the left, you see a 2K image. It looks good for web, right? But look at the details. The watch hands are softer, the leather texture is less defined, the reflections are blurry. On the right, that's 4K. See the difference? Every watch hand is crisp, the leather grain is perfectly detailed, the metal reflections show individual light rays. The watch face numbers are sharp and readable. This is the difference between good enough and professional. And yes, it costs 71% more, but when you see the quality difference side by side, you understand why. Let's talk numbers. A 2K image cost 14 cents. A 4K image cost 24 cents. That's a 71% price increase. Now, the question is, when is that extra cost worth it? If you're just posting to social media or creating quick mock-ups, 2K is perfectly fine. But if you're creating print-ready materials, professional packaging, or large format designs, 4K is essential. And here's where it gets really interesting. Look at this timeline. Day one, you generated 10 products at 4K. Your cost, $2.40. Traditional photography for those same 10 products, 5,000 to 20,000. By week one, you've generated 100 products for $24. Traditional would cost you $50 to $200,000. By month one, you're at $120 spent, saving $250 to about $1 million compared to traditional. And by year one, you've spent $1,200 on 5,000 product images, while traditional photography would have cost you 2.5 million to about 10 million. The 4K premium pays for itself in the first 10 images. After that, it's pure savings. Let me show you a real world example. This is a premium sneaker generated at 4K. Look at the level of detail. You can see the mesh texture, the cushioning in the midsole, the leather accents, the metallic logo, the stitching is crisp, the material texture is detailed, the sole pattern is sharp. This is the kind of image that would normally require a professional photographer, a studio lighting equipment, and hours of post processing. With 4K, you generate this in minutes and it's ready to use immediately for your e commerce site, for marketing materials, for packaging mockups. This is what 4K quality looks like in practice. Now, let's look at a high value product, a luxury watch. This is where 4K really shines. Notice the precision. The stainless steel case has perfect reflections. The sapphire crystal is crystal clear. The dial is intricate with visible hour markers. The watch hands are perfectly sharp. The leather strap shows grain textures. The stitching is detailed. The clasp mechanism is visible. This is professional photography. The kind of image that would normally cost hundreds of dollars to produce. With 4K, you're generating this in minutes. For a luxury brand, this level of detail is non negotiable. It's what justifies the premium price, and 4K delivers it every single time. But e commerce isn't just about product shots. Sometimes you need to tell a story. This is a skincare product in a luxury bathroom setting. Notice how the image creates a narrative. The marble surface, the natural lighting, the premium accessories, all communicate luxury and quality. The product is the hero, but the context makes it aspirational. The label text is perfectly readable at 4K. The glass reflections are clear, the marble texture is detailed, the lighting is professional. This kind of lifestyle photography would normally require a stylist, a photographer, a location scout, and hours of setup. With 4K, you generate it in minutes, and it tells the story you want to tell about your brand. Packaging is critical. This is a premium cosmetic box designed at 4K. Look at the details. The matte finish has subtle textures. The geometric patterns are elegant and precise. The brand logo has metallic foil details that catch the light perfectly. The product photography on the front is sharp and detailed. The typography is crisp and readable. The barcode is perfect. Every element is rendered with 4K clarity. This is what you show to your manufacturer before production. This is what you show to investors and clients. At 4K, you can see exactly how your product will look on the shelf. You can approve designs with confidence. You can iterate and perfect before spending money on production. That's the practical value of 4K. Large format printing is where 4K really proves its value. This is an event promotion poster for a music festival. It's designed to be printed at 24 by 36 inches or larger. Look at the typography. Summer Festival 2026 is bold and crisp. The color gradient are vibrant and smooth. The performer imagery is dynamic and energetic. The event details are readable. The composition is balanced and professional. When this poster is printed large and displayed in public, every detail matters. At 2K, you see pixelation and blurriness at the size. At 4K, it's perfect. The text is sharp, the colors are accurate, the imagery is stunning. This is what separates amateur designs from professional ones, and 4K makes it possible to create this level of quality in minutes. Now let's talk about something that really showcases 4K: human faces. This is a professional portrait at 4K quality. Look at the facial details. You can see individual skin pores. The subtle facial hair texture is visible. The eyes show iris color variation and light reflection. Individual eyebrow hairs are visible. The skin tone has natural color variation. The lips have textures and detail. This is photorealistic. The lighting is professional. Key light from the upper left, fill light from the right, subtle backlight, creating rim lighting. The background is soft focused and warm. This is the kind of portrait that would normally require a professional photographer and a studio. With 4K, you generate it in minutes, and it's perfect for headshots, LinkedIn profiles, professional marketing material. The level of detail is what makes it believable and professional.
I was created with Nano Banana Pro in 4K.
Here is a luxury fountain pen at 4K quality. This is a product where craftsmanship is everything. Look at the details. The premium materials show visible grain and texture. The nib is intricate. You can see the individual tines. The clip mechanism shows engineering precision. The barrel has subtle color gradations. The cap has a perfect surface finish. The branding is crisp and readable. The metal surfaces have precise reflections. The overall finish shows depth and quality. This is the kind of product where a customer needs to see the craftsmanship before they buy. They need to understand the quality. At 4K, you can communicate that quality instantly. This is professional luxury product photography, and it's something you can generate in minutes, not hours. Here is something powerful: batch processing at 4K. This is a product line with 6 variations: different colors, different materials, different design details, all rendered at 4K quality. all with identical professional studio lighting. Look at the consistency. Every product is lit the same way. Every product shows the same level of detail. The typography is crisp on all of them. The material textures are detailed on all of them. This is what you need for an e-commerce catalog. You need consistency, access across your entire product line with 4K batch processing. You can generate your entire catalog in one session, and every product looks professional and consistent. That's efficiency at scale. Let me show you the complete workflow. Step 1. You have a concept. Maybe it's a rough sketch or a written description of what you want to create. Step 2. You write a detailed prompt. You describe the product, the lighting, the background, the details you want to see. Step 3. You generate the image at 4K quality. The AI processes your prompt and creates a professional product photograph. Step 4. You get the finished result, a professional print-ready image, and then step 5, you use that image on your e-commerce website, in your marketing materials, in your packaging mockups. The entire workflow takes minutes from concept to finished product. That's the power of 4K. That's why it's worth the investment. Let's do a final comparison. Traditional photography, 2 to 4 weeks per product, $500 to $2,000 per product. Limited iterations because each redo costs money. You need a professional studio, lighting equipment, and a camera. You need also a photographer, a stylist, an editor. For 100 products, you're looking at $50,000 to $200,000 in 8 to 16 weeks. Now, Nano Banana Pro 4K. 5 minutes per product, 24 cents per product. Unlimited iterations because the cost is negligible. You need a computer and internet. That's it, just you. For 100 products, you're looking at $24 and 8 hours. That's 60 to 80% cost savings and 99% time savings. This isn't just about quality. It's about efficiency. It's about taking control of your content creation. It's about competing with brands that have massive budgets. With 4K, you can. And this brings us to the conclusion of this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. It really does support this small channel. And until next time, please take care of yourselves and each other. And I will see you all very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.